Well, we watched the sausage cook. We'll talk about how we ended up choosing this, whoops, and accidentally ending up with an awesome buy with that beach umbrella. Because that we got down by the river, but look, it works, because look what I did. I got the stones. It works. I mean, yeah, we'll want to get a proper umbrella, but maybe we won't, because look, this is just, it's good for both. So we end up with these. What did we pay? 20, what was it, 19, so 20 bucks, just round numbers. 20 bucks for each chair. And these are pretty nice. And then the table itself was what, 79?
Yeah.
And what we were looking at doing was grabbing a pine picnic table that was 100 bucks.
Yeah.
But then we were gonna have to buy a drill in order to assemble it, because it didn't come assembled. And then we were still gonna have to buy an umbrella for it. I'm happy with the way we went. I like this better, because that umbrella would not have covered the whole picnic table. We would have needed a much bigger umbrella for sure. Just because of the length of the picnic table. So.
They're almost ready.
Oh, what did that take? Like, that was what, 10 minutes? 10 minutes. Charcoal. Have to go wake up the kitties. Tell them it's
Kitties or kiddies?
kids, the children that are sleeping. Which is, thank God they took a nap. What, the other one's not? Graham's not? Well, thank God we can safely be outside for 10 whole minutes. Maybe. I don't know. The trailer might be on fire when we walk in. Dear God. I know, right? That's our life. Can't turn your back for a second.